Hey everybody, Sara here from Black Sheep Wools. It is Betwixmas 2025. Cannot believe there's been so many years of Betwixmas. It has grown from us just making something lovely in between Christmas and New Year to a bespoke pattern to the kits that you see before you today. An incredible make along. This is designed by Sarah Hatton and look how beautiful this is. So on trend, this shawl. We haven't used cables before in Betwixmas, I don't think either. This is just stunning. We have 8 kits available, 8 different colourways. We've tried to cover all the bases. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It features this gorgeous cable panel. It's got I-cords at either end. Beautiful, simple ridged pattern. It is absolutely stunning and all done in British yarns as well. So we have West Yorkshire Spinners. This is West Yorkshire Spinners Fable Aran, which is a blend of Falkland Island wool, mohair and alpaca. And we've got that in 4 shades. Look at it. It's just beautiful. Now, I obviously have no mirror, so I could look like a real dog's dinner here, but there you go. It's just fabulous. So the 4 shades we have in Fable are Fjord, shade 1267, Fjord 1267. Then we have Fawn, shade 1224. We have this gorgeous shade of Elder, that is 1225. And then we have Rubus, which has a real festive feel about it. This is Rubus. Look at this. Isn't it fabulous? It's beautifully soft, this yarn. It is just stunning, and look at that cable. Now, what I will say, Betwixmas is the most beautiful project, and it's always designed to be something relatively simple. We cast on Christmas Eve. There'll be a live cast on at 2 o'clock, live from my new lounge in my new house. I will be wearing my Christmas jumper. I'd like you to do that too. Also, you might want to have a little glass of something. Don't care if it's a glass of Vimto, because I'm a good northern girl. It could be a glass of fizz. You never know. So join me at 2 o'clock for the cast on. That's going to be full of hints and tips. What you may want to do with this, the first hour, spend a little time on your own, getting used to the cable pattern, and then you are good to go. Watch The Sound of Music, eat that sherry trifle, not cherry trifle if you want. Yeah, and just make yourself something beautiful. This really is all about being a gift to yourself. So we've got the 4 Fable kits. Each kit contains all the yarn that you need, which is 4 balls. Beautiful welcome postcard, printed pattern. No stitch marker this year. You don't need one for this project. These kits are, the Fable kits are £53.95. Then, if you don't want mohair, you want something still luxurious but not with mohair in it, we've done 4 kits in West Yorkshire Spinners Croft. 100% Shetland wool. We've got this gorgeous lilac shade, which is 1147, Moorfield. We've got Lerwick, which is 637, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to wear it in a minute. We've got Oliberry, which is shade 568. And then Fetler 312. I do think these colourways are incredible. We've tried to think of everything. Let me show you the Croft Aran knitted up. Gives incredible stitch definition, the Croft Aran. It really does. Croft Aran kits are £35.95. You can make this with pom-poms or without. Personally, I think the pom-poms really finish it off. This is the one without, and this is in Croft. You can see the stitch definition it gives you around the cables. Just beautiful. Look at that. It's beautifully soft, the Croft, as well. Yes, it's 100% wool, but it's not scratchy at all. We did actually discount one yarn that we tried because we didn't think it was nice enough to be around your neck. So we do consider all of those things. So you've got 4 colour packs, which are Fable, £53.95. And then 4 colour packs for Croft, which is £35.95. The kit comes with a printed pattern. If you want to freestyle, you can download the pattern for just £3. You can buy a printed pattern for £4. You will also need some pom-pom makers and cable needles, okay? Pom-pom makers, not necessarily a necessity. You can do it the old-fashioned way with 2 rings of cardboard, but these do make fabulous pom-poms. There will be hints and tips. If you're buying the Croft, you need to wind this. There will be winding videos available. There'll be hints and tips, blog posts, hints and tips, videos. we've pretty much got everything covered. It's going to be a really, really lovely make. This was our original make along from many, many years ago, and it has just grown and grown into something we were never expecting. It's a great way to come together. You will be able to see all the progress in the Facebook make along group of everybody that's joining in. Yeah, and it's just a beautiful project. It's not too difficult and just great to come together and make something at this time of year. So there you go, Betwixmas 2025.